Hey viewers, what's up? I'm here at my son's '06 Grand Prix, which had a dead battery. Turned the key, no sign of life at all. So measured the voltage on the battery, which we're going to go do in a minute, and it was 3 volts. It's supposed to be 12.6. So let's go over here. I brought the battery in, traded it in, got a new battery. $150 later, this is the new battery, and okay, I'm going to check the voltage on this new battery, and we'll see what we get. Turn it on, and measure the voltage, and there's the voltage, 12.6 volts, 12.59. Okay, so we're going to pop this battery in, start the car. Simple job, but we'll show that to you in a minute.